All right, so dog listing is actually in 12 hours. If you can see from here, it is currently 12 hours, and I'll tell you everything you need to know right now. So pay attention into this particular video. So the first thing we're going to do is to check your allocation for your dog token, right? So click on wallet. This is going to apply to all exchange actually, so I'm going to be using Binance for this particular tutorial. So if you're using other exchanges, you can actually follow the format I'm going to explain in this particular video. And for those that are actually using Telegram or Keeper, I'm going to make another video for that, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel. All right, so you click on Spot. So once you click on Spot, you are going to scroll down and click on dog. So for you, if you actually not have your dog, right, just go ahead to search right here, search for dog. Then you're going to see your dog, right? So you're going to see your current dog balance. I can see me, I'm actually receive a lot like distribution, right? So you can see this is my current dog. So all right, so the first thing we're going to be doing now, this is now how to sell. It is going to be in two different ways. I'm still going to be making more further video on like when to sell, how to sell, when to like take profit, when to buy more, and kind of. So firstly, once it actually launch, you are going to be doing this first. So right, click on trade. So you're going to see trade. Your might be different, but you're going to see trade. Then click on trade. So there are different ways you can actually sell right here. So in this area, I'm going to be using convert. All right, so you can actually use you can use spot. If you're in the country whereby you can use P2P, you can use P2P. But right, so the easiest way to do this without getting error is actually converting. So I'm going to use convert. So once I put convert right here, you're going to see convert. So I'm going to input, click on dog. So currently, because dog is not listed yet, it's not going to be there. So we are going to be using different ones. So let's assume I'm using, I think dog is Dodge is similar to dog, so let me just use dog. So by tomorrow, when they actually list this particular token, we are going to see your dog right here. So just search dog, then you are going to input here USDT. So you can see we have dog right here, you have USDT right here. So now you are going to input the amount of USDT you want to swap back to dog, you want to swap back to USDT. This is actually a tutorial video for tomorrow. So you click on, let's assume you want to swap 20,000 worth of USDT, dog to USDT. So this is what you're going to be getting in terms of USDT, right? So you're going to be getting this equivalent. That's for dogs, for Dodge rather, to USDT. So when dog actually comes, depending on the price, so this is how to do that done. And after you come to this part to click on preview, then you actually click on confirm. So that is basically how you to get this done. I'm going to be making more further video on how you can actually send to P2P, but do well, my link to the Telegram is actually at the description of this particular video. So do well to follow up and to get more updates about fast and quick ways to actually get this done. I'll see you in my next video.